What was the name of football in FIFA World Cup 2018? Correct answer is option B, Telstar. Possible questions that can be asked in your exam. Which countries will co-host the FIFA Men's World Cup in 2026? Correct answer is option B, USA, Canada and Mexico. Which country will host the FIFA Women's World Cup in 2027? Correct answer is option C, Brazil. Who sang the theme song of FIFA World Cup 2014? Correct answer is option A, Pitbull and Jennifer Lopez. Who became the first cricketer to score 4 successive one international centuries during World Cup 2015? Correct answer is option B, Kumara Sangakkara. Cricket World Cup 2015 was jointly hosted by. Correct answer is option A, Australia and New Zealand. A person standing in front of a mirror finds his image larger than himself. This implies that the mirror is. Correct answer is option A, concave. Electric transformers are used to. Correct answer is option D, change voltage. Of the following, the poorest heat insulator is. Correct answer is option C, aluminium. Alcohol is used as a thermometric liquid when it is desired to measure. Correct answer is option C, low temperature. When an oil film on water is seen in daytime, it shows beautiful colors. This phenomenon is due to. Correct answer is option D, interference. A reusable space rocket is called. Correct answer is option C, space shuttle. The same side of the moon always faces the earth because. Correct answer is option D. The period of rotation of moon is nearly equal to the period of its revolution around the earth. Which of the following substances is produced during photosynthesis in plant leaves? Correct answer is option B, carbohydrate. Who invented the transistor? Correct answer is option C, Bardeen, Shockley and Breton. Enzymes are. Correct answer is option D, macromolecular biological catalyst. Of the following, the only metal that is produced directly from its ore by an electrical process is. Correct answer is option A, aluminium. Water gets cold in earthen pot and not in a metal or glass pot because. Correct answer is option C, evaporation through micropores on walls of the earthen pot. The spice clove is obtained from. Correct answer is option A, bud. Goiter is caused due to deficiency of. Correct answer is option D, iodine. Colors on the screen of a TV are produced by mixing. Correct answer is option B, red, green and blue. Which of the following gases combines together to produce ammonia gas? Correct answer is option C, nitrogen and hydrogen. The device used for converting alternating current to direct current is? Correct answer is option D, rectifier. An apparatus used by the physician is? Correct answer is option A, sphygmomanometer. Which of the following is usually made of glass? Correct answer is option B, test tube. Who helps to carry luggage at a railway station platform? Correct answer is option B, porter. Sundar Pichai is the CEO of? Correct answer is option B, Google. Tobacco Measure ITC started a farmer empowerment scheme named? Correct answer is option D, e-couple. The plinth area of a building does not include? Correct answer is option D, area of cantilevered porch. In time cost optimization of a project, crushing is done? Correct answer is option C, on original critical activities and those that become critical at any stage of crushing in the order of ascending cost slope. The original cost of an equipment is Rs 10,000. Its salvage value at the end of its total useful life of 5 years is Rs 1,000. Its book value at the end of 2 years of its useful life as per straight line method of evaluation of depreciation will be? Correct answer is option C, Rs 6,400. Cast iron piles are? Correct answer is option A, are useful for heavy vertical loads. Next term of the sequence 2, 6, 11, 17, 24 will be? Correct answer is option C, 32. If the sides of a square is increased by 10%, the area increases by? Correct answer is option B, 21%. A 2 mm aluminium wire of length 36 meter is melted to form a solid sphere whose radius will be? Correct answer is option B, 30 mm. If you deposit Rs 12,000 at a certain compound interest to double after 5 years, how much will you get after 20 years under the same scheme? Correct answer is option A, Rs 1,92,000. If the sum of certain 3 consecutive natural numbers is 27, then the sum of next 3 natural numbers is? Correct answer is option B, 36. If an article is sold at 200% profit, then the ratio of its cost price to its selling price will be? Correct answer is option C, 1:3. For a designer jacket with a certain sticker price, the difference in selling price with a flat discount of 30% and 2 consecutive discounts of 20% and 10% is Rs 72. What is the sticker price of the jacket? Correct answer is option A, rupees 3,600. Rohinton rows a boat along the stream flow to cover a kilometer in 5 minutes. On his upstream paddling, he took an hour to cover 6 kilometers. What is the speed of water flow in the stream where Rohinton plies his boat? Correct answer is option D, 3 km per hour. A number when divided by 136 leaves remainder 36. If the same number is divided by 8, the remainder will be. Correct answer is option D, 4. Pick the odd one out from the following. Correct answer is option D, elephant. What would be the last letter of the longest sensible word possible by unscrambling TIKNET? Correct answer is option A, N. Find a single letter from the provided options which, if substituted in the following words, would form entirely new words: rogue, just, man, royal. Correct answer is option C, S. Which of the following should not belong to the group? Correct answer is option C, mitten. What would be the next letter in the series BEJQ? Correct answer is option A, Z. If the 2nd, 3rd, 5th, 10th, 15th and 20th letters of English alphabet is unscrambled to form a sensible word, which letter will come at second last position? But if more than one word can be made, mark S, and if no words can be made, mark X. Correct answer is option C, C. Which of the following pairs do not belong to the group? Correct answer is option B, fire and water. Identify the odd one out after unscrambling the following to make meaningful words. Correct answer is option D. From the options given below, which letter can be prefixed to the following words to make another set of meaningful words? Correct answer is option A, R. Horse, leg, hoof. Man, hand. Correct answer is option C, nails.